In this video, I show you how to cover a multi-layer sleeve. Take the basis of the pattern of the sleeve. Divide the pattern into 7 equal parts. Cut the pattern along the intended lines. We fix the pattern on the fabric using pin. Width between cuts 4 cm. For this sleeve model we need 4 layers, each of which will be 2 cm less than the previous. Each new layer of the sleeve is reduced by 2 cm from the bottom. Connect all layers of the sleeve with a stitch along the upper section of the sleeve. And remember that the choice of fabric affects how the sleeve will look.